How do guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel, Jordan Morrison Racing. For this video I've decided to add a voiceover. The main reason being is that I had such a blast at Donington Park that I literally didn't manage to have time to film much vlogging. So here I am with my silly hat on at 6:45 AM unloading a CBR600RR for my third ever track day. I'd driven down and camped over the night before in the van, so that I was fresh and ready for the day ahead. Here you can see me unloading the paddock stands, spare tyres and the bike itself into one of the 3 garages provided by MSV. Let's get into it. How do you guys, good morning, and we're at a very cold Donington Park today. This is my third track day and it's with MSV. It's only 69 quid for a full day. Leon Haslam was supposed to be down today, so there's no one to give us tuition, which is a shame. So I'm just going to try and pick up from what I learned from Anglesey, and rather than trying to just go quick, it's more about my body positioning today. The garage is empty at the moment because there's 2 sessions, but I'm with 3 girls that have come down for a track day today, and one of them is a pretty confident rider on track, and luckily she's lent us a tyre warmers as well. So thanks a lot guys, really appreciate it. So that should massively help me. So I'm going to try and get some tuition and advice off them and actually try and learn how to ride a bike properly on track without coming off. Wish us luck. This will be my first session. Nice knowing you. Okay, so now I'm going out for my first session of a day. I'd done sighting laps with the instructors, which give us an indication of braking points and lines. And now we're going down to the pit straight, where we basically be greeted by an MSV member who would then check our wristbands. Here I am on my second lap, going down Wheatcroft Straight, where we'll then head to Redgate Corner. I was starting to get a bit of heat into the tyres here, and also the tyre warmers made a massive difference. Now, you know, conditions were perfect considering that this was October, but it was cold. So it was really important to keep as much heat in them tyres as possible, especially as a novice. Now we're going down to Crane of Curves, which is notoriously a dangerous corner regardless of whether you're in a car or on a motorbike. And then we'll go down to Old Hairpin, which is this right hand. I really felt I got a lot of confidence in the bike and myself going round there, and I was picking up a lot of speed each time, getting more and more confident, which is something that I couldn't build upon at Anglesey. As a novice, I'd look at the bike in front and try and chase them, and not necessarily follow their lines, but do what was best for me. And if we were a lot quicker at certain stages, I'd pick up on what they're doing. Now we're coming back round to the second straight, which I absolutely loved opening up the CBR on here. Now the only thing that I found was the back end of the bike was wobbling under braking at the end of here. Now maybe that was something that I was doing, but I'm not sure. Now we come through the S's, which if I was a quicker rider, that'd be fantastic to be leaning right over and each one knee down. And then we're going to come up to Melbourne Hairpin, which I'll tell you now was one of the hardest corners, and I just couldn't get it. But that's all part of this process of learning, and considering that this is my third track day and I was never a confident road rider before, hadn't had much experience on the road, and if anything, I'd had more experience in this Trackday than I had ever had riding on the road before. So now we come back round Goddard's, back onto the straight, and we'll go around for another lap without my voiceover. second session, got third session coming next. The weather's absolutely perfect, it's freezing, but the track's warm, getting some grip. Letting the tyre warmers by someone else, which has massively helped me. Yeah, tyre warmers have been fantastic, really. And yeah, gonna try this third session. I've picked up a lot from angle C. It's all about my body positioning, really. Once I got that right, we'll be a lot better from there, but I need to try and get my body positioning correct first.